So on page 206, we begin with a definition of interest. And it's simply a fee paid for the use of money. If you've been keeping track of the news, the Trump administration suspended interest on student loans, which is a fantastic thing. And right now, the Federal Reserve, changed the interest rate to almost zero, meaning it's essentially costs nothing to borrow money. So we're going to look at another specific type of interest, and that's what's underlined here in red. It's called simple interest, and it's paid strictly as a percentage of the original amount of money. So that's the topic of Section 3.1. Section 3.2 is this notion of compound interest, and that is a percentage paid on the original amount plus percentage of the new amount, including that previously calculated interest. Kind of in shorthand, we're looking at you earning interest on interest. This is me trying to do this thing. So here's our first problem, looking at the simple interest formula. So let's say you get a $600 tax refund. It's currently $317. So that's Tuesday, and President Trump has just announced that he's going to be cutting a check for every single American. So you might be getting some sort of check like this to help you survive the coming months. And you probably would not do this, but you wisely decide to put it into a long-term investment that pays 5% in simple interest each year. So the question is, how much money would you add to that count each year? Well, since this is simple interest, you're going to take that amount you apply, and you're just going to calculate 5% of that. Recall that 5%, in order to use it in a calculation, we have to convert it to a decimal. So percentage literally means a number divided by 100. So I divide 5 by 100, and that gets me 0.05. You could also think about moving the decimal places 2 places to the left as kind of that little shortcut. So I will take $600 and calculate 5% of that. And this gives me, let's see, 10% of 600 is 60. So half of 10% is $30. So after 1 year, you'd earn $30 in the account. And in fact, every year after that, because this is simple interest, you would be given $30, assuming you never withdrew that original $600.